Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. I'd like to discuss Namaste. Why I say it as a greeting and even a closing to almost all of my engagements, and what does it mean? So, to begin with, Namaste, it is a Hindi term. It is spoken in India, and it means, well, it has many translations. When I say it, I mean the God in me acknowledges the God in you. So when I say at the beginning of the vlog, Namaste, it means that I recognize the godliness, the God DNA, the God in each of you. So, in acknowledging that, let's see what we can do to acknowledge God in all those that we meet. Let's begin with our loved ones. Let's tell our loved ones, Namaste. This is what I tell my children and how I greet my family in the morning. Instead of good morning, I say Namaste. It is usually spoken with the hands, palms together at the chest as though you were praying. But you could just speak the words. For now, let us begin with the words. We will use our intention of acknowledging that there is God in all things, that there is God in each and every person, even those that we disagree with, and that because we share this potential, we are family. Not only are we ancestors, but we are family. So, let me know in the comments how it goes with a whole day of greeting each other, Namaste. After you see this vlog, please begin with your family, your loved ones. Good evening, Namaste. Hello, Namaste. How are you? Namaste. Goodbye, Namaste. So, let me know in the comments how it goes. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when the next videos are uploaded. What a beautiful day. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Thank you for participating in this Divine Light program. Thank you for helping to create paradise on earth. Namaste.